Well, hello, my pretties. Welcome back to Sondra Unfolded.
Mine, letting you down easy, but just give it time. If it don't hurt now, but just wait a while. Another big fish in the pond, no more.
Today, we will be doing a mini haul. Now, I went into Rainbow because I just really want some pieces that are price friendly because I just don't want to spend a whole lot of money. When you're on your weight loss journey, things start getting too big. Some things still don't fit. They're really in that in-between stage of not really having anything to wear. I wanted to go into Ross because I want to look at the items. I want to feel the material. I did not want to order anything and then have to send it back. So I went into Ross. I went to a couple of Rosses, and it's not the Ross it used to be. I feel like I haven't been in Ross in a long time because Ross can be very messy. I hate to say it, but the store is very messy. I went into Ross. You have to have time because you're going to have to dig through racks. Just like if you go to the thrift store, you really have to dig to find some gems for you, right? That's the same thing to me with Ross. But you can find some nice gems in Ross. I know, especially when it comes to tops, I really find some nice tops. Sometimes I can find shoes. Sometimes I can find a skirt in Ross, maybe a dress in Ross every now and then. But most of the time, I would find some beautiful tops and good quality tops at Ross. Even though it was messy, I was in one of those moods and I was ready to look around. You gotta be, if you're in a rush, wait till you got time, okay? So when I had time this day, when I went into Ross, and I just dig through the plus size section, which is not a huge section, but they do have a plus size section. And I came across 4 nice tops. These tops I can mix and match for the summer. I got 4 tops, but I can interchange these 4 tops to go with a lot of different clothes that I have already. That's why I picked these tops, and I'm going to share them with you. You may like them, and you may go to a Ross near you and you can find them. So let's get into this mini haul. Let's start with this top here. Let me let you see the whole top. Now, I don't have links to these clothes, but you may look up in Ross and find all the items I'm showing you, or you may look up and find something in Ross that you may like. So this top here from Ross is 60% rayon and 40% polyester. The material feels so good. It's so pretty and so summery looking. I love it. And this top was $12.99. Look at the sleeves. You know what this top reminds me of? A scarf. And you just made the scarf into a top. It's beautiful. I like the way the neckline is. This is the back of it. I wanted a 1X in this top, but they only had a 2X, and that's okay for now. It's really okay for now. I'm going to show you 2 ways that dressed this top up, but really you can dress this top up so many different ways. You can dress it up casual. You can dress it down and make it a little more sporty for yourself. This is how I put this top together for today's vlog. So let's talk about this outfit. This could be a OOTD. This is a nice little summer outfit that I put together. The top is from Ross. I like it. It's just so thin and light. The skirt is from Nordstrom's. I got this skirt a couple of years ago. I'm just being able to get to fit back into this skirt. The shoes are from Macy's. The Dior watch and my cross bracelet. Earrings is from Ashley Stewart. My gold silver necklace. Don't remember where I got that from. But the top is what I'm featuring today. And the top is from Ross. That's my OOTD for a nice, cool summer outfit. I changed it around. This OOTD is the rainbow top. This skirt here I got from Shein years ago, and I paired it with my blue sandals just to change up the outfit. You can even mix and match these outfits to be comfortable. Sporty top can just be mixed and interchanged with so many things, and that's why I got these outfits, because I want to interchange them so many ways. So this is this outfit. Next, we have this top. It's kind of hard because I don't have a picture to show you on the side, because I bought these out of the store and not online. So that's why I modeled them for you to be able to get a good look at the top. But I just want you to get an up close look at this top. This is a 2X. It runs big. I wanted a 1X in this as well, and I could not find it. It was $14.99, and I think that is a very good price for a top that I can interchange so many ways. That's what I'm saying, to make my capsule wardrobe for myself. Just throw on tops, throw on skirts, throw on pants that I can just throw on and go about my day. So this is the front and the back. I can even wear this up like this, or I can wear it off the shoulders like that as well. And that's what I really like about it. But if you find this, you might have to, if you built something like me, I would size down on this top here. I would really size down. I forgot my mic. So this is from Ross. Nice summer top. You can wear these tops in all kinds of ways. I just was in need of some new tops to match with the things that I have in my closet. I could have sized down because the stretch is a lot on this top, but I still like it. And these are just some things that I picked up from Ross. Next we have this, like, you know, when you're shopping and you come across something that you really fall in love with and you feel like, yeah, that's a good find for me. That's how I feel about this top here. Now you can wear this top buttoned up if you want, or you can wear it open. You can wear it with just the bra or a tube top, but I wear a cami underneath it. It is $15.99 and it's a size 2X. These are the sleeves. The colors are so beautiful. And you can pick whatever colors out of here that you want to dress this up with. In the summer, I'll do like the white and the blues. I can even wear this in the fall, and I can pick the brown, the rust colors that's in it, the green colors that's in it. So this can be a seasonal shirt as well. It is nice and lightweight, and I can wear a turtleneck underneath it in the winter time. For the fall or winter, and for the summer, I just wear a nice little cami underneath it. This is the back of it. It's beautiful. Now the sleeves, you know, too long for me, but that's okay. I just fold the sleeves over like that, and this shirt is a great find for me at Ross, and look for it for yourself. And you can interchange this outfit so many ways from your closet. Just shop your closet and find something to match this, because it has some beautiful colors in it. It's a seasonal shirt. It's from summer to fall to winter. It's a good find. Let's talk about this top. Got this top from Ross as well. It's a little long on the sleeve, so I had to roll it up. This top here can be worn so many different ways. You know, I just paired it today just to show you guys what a beautiful top this is, how you can really just put it together, mix and match it, and you can even wear it open if you choose to wear it open. You can pick any color outside of this top. This is if you want to wear it open. You can wear light blue inside. You can even wear this in the fall as well. It even has some fall colors in it, have summer colors in it. It's nice and cool. I just love the colors. Next, this shirt. I got this shirt because I like the throw-on factor. Nice little Saturday shirt when I'm just hanging out, or I'm just going to run some errands and stuff like that. So this is a 2X. $14.99. I mean, the buttons, so you can wear it open with a little cami underneath it as well. I like to be able to wear it different ways, so that's what I like about it as well. This is the back. I like the sleeves on the shirt, so this was a nice find for me as well. I would probably wear this with my black skirt, a white skirt, or even a gray skirt. Styling these clothes are endless. You can do so many things with them. So I paired this. If you want, you can pair it with the white shoe, or I can pair it with my black shoe. This is just a nice throw-on, comfortable top I got from Ross. This is a nice throw-on Saturday top, just running errands. I can tuck it under. I could go out to lunch, brunch with this top on from Ross. That's why I wanted to come out of just showing you other stores. And let's get back to sometimes going inside the stores and shop. It's like we forgot how to go inside the stores and shop. One of them days when you're bored and you have nothing to do, go to the little Rosses, the Marshalls, and find you some items that you may like. Because we shop online so much now, we want to be able to feel the material, look at the material, try on the material sometime. So these are the 4 items that I picked up from Ross. Well, I want to thank you, my pretties, for tuning in once again to Sondra Unfolded. So glad to be able to bring different variations of clothing to you. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. It means a lot. And I will see you guys on the next haul.
I would say we were good together.